These things, you may wonder what they are when you saw the thumbnail. Well, I'm about to explain it to you, okay? So maybe you remember these. All right, you recognize those? Well, I don't need these anymore because I've got a superior product. These are called Gecko Blocs, and they're made by a couple of woodworkers in the community. They've started a new company and they're creating new products. This is their first product, and it's called Gecko Blocs. They are made of 100% silicone, and they are for holding workpieces. They're very grippy, and you can do all kinds of things with them, okay? So let me back up a little bit and I'll show you. I just opened the box right before I showed them to you in the intro, and you may be wondering, how do I know, or how am I so confident that these things are superior to these old cookies here? Well, I've already seen them in use, okay? On the YouTube channel for the company, which is called Bench Critters, by the way. And the guys who run the company are called Todd and Gio. And they each have their own YouTube channels as well. Of course, I'll link all of those things in the description box below. Well, Gio made a video showing these things in use and really testing them out, okay? Now, it does say on the box, wash them off before you use them with warm soapy water, or periodically if you want to maximize their grippiness. Well, I'm going to use them straight out of the box and see what they're doing. And of course, if I do need to refresh them, if they get full of dust, I can wash them off and they'll be back to original condition. Now, these things here lost their grippiness many years ago. I mean, I can put my weight on them and still move them. I've tried washing them off with water. It's kind of like a mouse pad. Well, these are 100% silicone, and let's go ahead and just take them out and set them up here. They come with their own stand. Check this out. And this stand can even be mounted to the wall. So they've got some screw holes in here, and you can mount them to the wall, do whatever you need to do, set them wherever, so that you'll be ready to go. All right, so here they are. And I can put my weight on them, kind of like I was doing with these. And yeah, they're not moving. Of course, if I don't put any weight on them, I can push them and they move. But you know, you probably have something sitting on top of it that weighs some amount. I've got some flame maple here. And yeah, that's pretty good. I got another piece of mahogany right here. Oh yeah. That is superior to the other ones. I'm just saying right now. Now, I plan on using these all throughout my upcoming Les Paul build. I'm building a Les Paul coming up. In fact, this is the mahogany body blank for the Les Paul. And this is the flame maple cap, which will go on top of the mahogany. And I'm going to be using these during that build so that you'll be able to see them in use and get a better idea how they work. Now, what's this? I've got another package. Okay, I'm going to be giving this other set to one of you sometime during the Les Paul build. So I would encourage you, go ahead and subscribe and keep an eye out for the Les Paul build coming up. There will be several videos in a row and then one final video at the end showing the compilation from start to finish of the build. So sometime during that build, I will be putting these up for somebody to get a copy, to get a set. Okay, so go ahead and watch that build coming up. But these are called Gecko Blocs, like I already mentioned. It comes with a card. In fact, I'll hold this up to the screen, and if you want to go there, you can just hold your finger over that QR code or use another phone if you're watching on TV and go to that website right there to pick them up on their website, benchcritters.com. Oh, the one thing I do want to point out before we leave, of course, I just got them set down like this. There are 3 different heights, okay? So you have them set like this, 32.5, 33 millimeters, okay? And if I want to set the wood on there, that gets it off of the table a little bit. But I can also set them up like this and get another height option. And these are 65 millimeters. So what I say, 33, 65, and then you can do like this, about 85 millimeters. So of course, you know, you can set it up like this. Now this is not going to be as much gripping power. This may be something just to hold it up higher. Perhaps you want to get a clamp on here. There's plenty of room between the bottom of the workpiece and the top of the table to get any kind of clamp in here. I don't have the huge parallel clamps or anything like that, but it is an option for you in case you're doing a glue up and you want to get your clamps under there for whatever reason. But pretty cool. I gotta say I'm liking them. So let me show you. Got the holder here, and these things just slide right on. I just wanted to introduce this new product to you. I'm really looking forward to be able to use these on my upcoming builds and put them through their paces. Premium product, I gotta say. Premium product. It's very high quality, and if you've ever seen Gio and Todd, you know that they're all about attention to detail if you're watching any of their videos. Go ahead and check them out. Like I said, I got videos. I don't have videos. I got the links to their videos in the description box below to their channels and also to the Bench Critters YouTube itself, which they're putting out content as well. So check them out.